In front of me is HUAWEI MatePad 12X, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Security. Then hit App Lock and tap Enable at the bottom. Now you need to decide if you wish to create custom PIN only for app lock or use your current login method. I will go with custom PIN just to show you, so I have to click on it here and create it. Then repeat it to confirm it. Answer security question, and if you don't like this one, click on it and pick one of those. If you don't like any of them, select custom question and create your own. Then hit OK and remember to answer it correctly below. Then hit finish. And finally, use gray switchers next to your apps to lock them. So when I go back and try to access one of those apps, I can see that PIN is now required. If you want to delete app lock from any app, you need to go back to the same settings, enter your lock screen or custom PIN, and use now blue switchers to unlock your apps. Then use blue switcher next to app lock feature to switch it off completely and hit disable. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!